let's learn ahead. I will go on Zoom. Then this page will appear in front of you. This page will only come when you have signed in the Zoom application. Remember, you have to sign in only once. When we see this page, you will get 4 options at the top. First option is New Meetings. In this option, you can start a meeting yourself. Next is Join Meeting, which means that you can join an existing meeting. Next is Schedule a Meeting, which means you want to set a meeting for some other day and time. Then you can use this option and send invites to others. Last option is Share Screen, which means you can show your mobile screen to others in your meeting. You can share photo, video or documents stored in your mobile to everyone in the meeting by using this option. Now let's see the other options below the screen. Meet and Chat means you can chat with any people in your Zoom. You can just simply click and chat. Next is Meetings option. It is important. Look above here. You will see Personal Meeting ID, that is PMI, and a number written below it. Just like you have your mobile number, similarly this is a Zoom number which you can start any meeting instantly. This we will learn in detail ahead. Next option is Contacts. Just like you have contacts on your mobile, these are Zoom contacts. People who use Zoom can be found over here. And the last option is Settings. Means all Zoom settings will be available here. Now, one by one, we will learn all about the Zoom's feature in detail.